So right now it is Saturday, March 10th, and right now me and my mom are going to Starbucks and the Dump. So let's go there.
Sure, a tall Robinson Frappuccino. If you wanted, it's been like pretty popular recently. A lot of customers have been asking for like orders and cookies and cream. So like when you get the Java there, but like our like regular mocha and chocolate syrup, it's actually just like a white mocha and chocolate syrup.
You want to try that?
Yes.
Yes.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, she'll give that a shot. Thank you.
Hey you guys, so right now we are going to go to Target. So let's go. We officially made it to Target. Well, we just were here a few days ago, but they have a lot of new stuff, so that's cool. Gonna get some things for some videos. Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Embarrassing.
Hey guys, so we're back at my house, and I also just wanted to say that I know I wore this sweatshirt yesterday, but it got clean, so yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be making some slime, so I have a geometry right here, and I'm gonna make a huge batch of neon slime because I just went to Target and I got a pack of neon food dyes, so yeah. This is what it looks like if you guys are interested. So, yeah. Still need the Tide, but otherwise we're set. No, we're not. I need a spoon. I'm gonna start making the slime. I'm using this container, and I don't really have a big bowl to make it in, so I'm just gonna make it in the container. Clean the container out, and then just